Hey, you don't go nowhere. Hold up for a second. Let me give you a quick tip today. If you haven't ready yet, like, comment, subscribe, and join the Inspire team where we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it. Let's go. How you doing, Inspire family? Hope you guys are having a blessful day today, and I hope and pray all your wishes come true. Now, today's tip of today is, look, be thankful and be grateful of the struggle, because without your struggle, you wouldn't find the strength you have today. If you're going through a lot of struggle right now in your life, I want you to keep your head up, smile, and just be like, okay, this is all temporary. This is not permanent. You can make that change, man. If you watch this video, it's all about you, okay? I want you to take care of yourself, even if you're struggling right now. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel, okay? And just remember, you guys, life is a journey, man. It's gonna be a lot of experiences, up and down. Whatever it is, man, always love yourself and try to be positive. Well, alright guys, that concludes today's videos, and I hope you guys liked the little quick tip of the day video. Like I told you guys, man, I'll try to make it quick for you guys, but if you guys want a longer tip video, just let me know. Comment down below, like, comment, subscribe, and join the family, man. You know what it is, we get better, do better, and we be better. Let's get it, let's go. Peace.